don't know what they worry most of our Benin women. Our Benin people, may I use them talk on because they can really divest me. It's not good now. So now good morning, my people. Because the thing they really divest me this morning. I wanted to sell my clothes. You can see I upload everything that I want to say. But this news when me just they hear all over the place. They make me divest. True to God, not be as I love that our mama, our mother rich. Even that same day, said whether even they donate. I wish I don't know whether I'll enter my messenger. May I pack out the old receipt? Come on, may una CC receipt where people take support this very woman because the thing get a CB when me they hear yours now say na 2 million naira. Neither still they look for. The thing really they vex me because I don't know what I want to talk for this matter. How you go just to say even instantly na 2 million naira take complete. 2 million naira money where everybody donates all over the world. Say it pass 3.5 or whether it not reach 4 million naira. Why you go say na 2 million naira na they still they find. True, no say me person not talk. All the old presenter no platform where they for no donate. No platform where they for no donate. Even women talk show 1 point neither one donate. No get platform say one man cost donate 500. Even no get still donate. No presenter where they for no donate. No presenter. Why you go say na 2 million naira? Now they say they find all till now. What did they happen say? Even that one now, the one where men will donate or the way they donate for men live video and with that 500 where that guy donate for, if they even calculate and say now let that two live video say not the 2 million for complete. Leave the rest people where they inside. May we say the rest now. We never talk about all those ones because now most of our people they'll come make us come look stupid for Europe. Say we don't know what they do. What would they do for abroad? And another Nollywood, if they say now this money that they find, what did they want you to use them for? Not let us come to believe say nothing they do you between God and man because the thing really they annoying. It really divest me the way they see him. The thing divest me, my people. I was so angry just now. The way I see that video was not really good for my liking. Okay. May we do one like this. May we say, for example, now. May we just say, well, may we bring the receipt come and 1 point something. Now, people raise comments. That guy will see bring 500,000 for no get live video. May we say, for example, may we say men 1 million naira now. That one, the other guy 500,000. Not be 1.5 be that. Esther Dokpa you donate 100,000. Not be 1.6 be that. Ebony donate 50,000. Not be 1.650 be that. The rest presenter we can't donate to. People will donate all over the world. Not be smarting. Why you go come just come and you go see send 2 million naira now you see the fine. If you not continue like this, anybody will go cry come out again. Nobody go stand stood up for una. Because una want take us like say we don't know what he would they do. Even we where they do the presenter say we know those kind of money we know they never even render and give us one day. They never read that kind of money give us one day. Tomorrow now another person cry come out. Nobody go menuna. Nobody go use a live video come they do no sense. All the old stress where they stress that all the old effort where everybody make. Even when me they do my video, I even they shed tears. Now true then one of my friends come call me say he don't already send me receipt for messenger. As I look on all the old receipt is true there. It not good. Even the other guy whether they call lucky now 20,000 that one later still send for that account. It not good. You know how many people go see one small girl will come out. You say nah his service money now he say come out he can send them. He no say God will provide another one for her. Why you can't reach actress Benin actress Bodina? Another one can start. Why do no they ever stand for the truth, nothing but the truth? Nothing but the truth. They donate for Mama Okesh that day. As they donate, the woman, what did they donate her for? It was so successful. And the worst thing now, the woman never, this Mrs. Orobosa never even come out for us. It never even come out for us. It did us. It never even come out. Now, success money can't go give her 700,000. 700,000. Me, I no understand. If you talk say the money don't complete, it go let person the here for here. Say you need extra money what you want take follow body. People go to understand that. Say you dey talk say that money never complete 2 million naira. No. That I disagree. Because now account where you break come and everybody put money. Because now you want on they provoke people, make they bring their own receipt come out. Now they go so. Now what it go happen be that? Even Mama okay, she still carry money come meet you that same day. Everybody they donate. You now you can't come and say you never see 2 million naira. What of if the bill presenter come finally verse come and say see all the old receipt where they donate, see the money, and they can't calculate and come out. They can't calculate and they can't see say nah the money nah it be this one. What you will go? What you can't do? I like people with truthful words. They'll just say the truth, nothing but the truth. Not be say you go come the beat around the bush. Aqua Irena, first time in history, second time in history. Well, those people they come and come ask for help for I don't know about other they feel they ask but this very one. Because of your condition, the way you take come out and everybody take stand up, say no, we no want made this our mama die. We no want made this our mama die. Now everybody use the whole platform. Show beg people. We turn to beggar because of just for you to be okay. But at the end of the day now, and they can't see this kind of say, you see they say 2 million never complete. Then we see they take life easy with ourselves. Then we they do things in case of another day. If another person still come cry, come out, they go stood up for the person. I want load then I walk be wa ukpa. You know they see many Nollywood where Daddy Jeremiah they help. And true, they go where they say they want go do the surgery. And it go be successful surgery. And they always show them. That any hospital where they always show, they say, see, the day yo. What the person, Obama, do me, man, no, me, Vokman, onye me, Oga say no do me. Oh, no, because now do me where people regret doing that for you. Now do me verio, where a man regret, we be very no. Because a man got do back be do agwan kematana, or get a CB. Because they don't get me receipt okay. Or get a CB. Because se mina na man wa mukbona. Never line. Because this is really annoying. Say na 2 million naira and I never see complete. Totally unacceptable. now come tell me say na artificial donation be that one be no happen. He pin the money for there. Even mama live boy live video, let me call the talk and say no necessary. Come they have a do happy naming at here. I for could have still do the one where they donate. I will still put on for them. Oh yeah, 100,000 or 200,000 is still money. It yeah by baby. Because me ma understand. Make we if you just reach Benin people, oh, most of the Benin may not say oh. It go just turn to something else. Nothing you go just make sure their name put. Where go smoothly. Because this one now is getting out of hand. Truth is always bitter. Me, I never see the way Nollywood, all of the way they donate for, say, they can't say, at the end of the day, the money not come complete again. If that reach beneath on now, you must see excuse upon excuses. If you not do like that, this is wickedness. If I wish will not turn up that day, now where he turn up, they not can turn up for una. Nah. The whole presenter say, oh no man can no blog ya no ma yel me ati oge begi ero kave blog asikeya. No one way no post on. As they post on, so that they put account follower. Now the same account now they put follower. Even when me post an account, I post. Before I constantly do video puts. Is your what totally you disappoint each and every one of us. Who what disappoint him totally. When they watch that video, just now say, success money go pay 700,000 again. If you they tell us say the money don't complete, say you need extra money where you want to take follow body. It go just they clear for everybody. We go say okay, na truth. You know say that day I they talk on. I say it no go just be only 2,000. This woman need more than 2 million naira. Let me say 3.5. Now go 4 put. Now so me come they talk on that video when I did do that day. Now I can say this one at 3.5. This woman need 3.5. Not be just 1 million 2 million naira way they say they want. No. But he need like 3.5. Now he go land put. If you they talk and say 2 million don't complete. Nobody go there angry for you or this our mama. If you say 2 million don't complete, nobody for the whole presenter go there angry with you. But if you come the talk say now 2 million they say make you bring and that 2 million never still complete. It go they provoke people the more. It go they provoke people. Because this is not good at all. It is not good. Anything that you are is all useless. Your own son don't reach now. Come enter. He can't get K-leg. There's nothing like truthfulness in what you they do so. This one, the short or the whole word say nothing like her. Say you they sick. May God not let because the way me take the reason and so I don't like this kind of thing at all. Because social media where they post and put it never delete. Every post where they post, you see their war. Because this is not really making everybody look stupid or fool. They make people come see us like we don't know what they do if they break. That money where they donate, so you think say they not get their own some problem where they want go life solve because you cry out as an adult person. That is why everyone turn up for you. May not can say it don't reach you adult person you now. It not can happen. That make everybody stood up for you because we also like you in your drama way. And now you are not telling us where you go 2 million kedero ade. 2 million naira you go le nekbo mariade. On that seconds 2 million yagba bedero. On that seconds 2 million yagba because have a receipt here ya radio social media. Oh yagba. Because so now Egi ma do mo wu je mi no una. La ogo jeme. Egi ma do mo je mi no una. Eyi maki o mo so goda. Eji maki o ma no mai mi no we de agbe o mo no mai se we de no do na do ya agwo o ma no mai se o ria we hin or something. Na do ata video. Because this is not good. Be no ya we na je o ma we se. Umie 2 million gbera no pe. 2 million gugwalo. Wa tame ma we ge. It's okay. It's okay. Me, I never see no presenter will not raise money for you. No presenter. No bloggers will not carry your video comments. I see many bloggers where they carry. Please, make una support our mama. Oh, make una support our mama. Oh. Even though they be bloggers, they still get people where they love. We love them as they be bloggers. So they still get people who love them. We still get good heart. Say, I like this blogger. So make me just still help as I see this thing for here. Emma. Because next time, Omave na do viere, amame no uyobo, waregui. Because seminano wa amukbona. And next time, Omave na do viere, wamame no uyobo, waregui. Yes, they need to ask questions because this is not getting out of hand. They need to call and make they ask some question. Because I don't know at all. When they still they hear this nonsense for social media, say the 2 million never complete. It's not good now. They need to call her to make they ask some question. Because this is not really good for my liking. It's not really good for my liking. Listen to the voice. Because it matter only anything a voice or a video na. Man.
Also success money from the successful family. And every one of you who have contributed just ensuring that our mama who has played a part in the game industry, she has done so well for the entertainment back home. And we're here to support her health condition. Like she said, anybody how much you tell the world how much you she needs 2 million.
The thing they surprise me now, Procure the godfather carry and come out. The thing they surprise me, say he need 2 million naira. Say 2 million naira never even complete. How can they make because? How can they make because? Who's so happy we okay? He?
Very soon, everyone who has contributed a dime towards this goal. Will also call your name so that tomorrow you will not say we betrayed the money or we diverted the funds. Sir, we have Optimum Empire and sir, how much are we having?
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, that the people 2 million. This 2 million, one guy when a Nokia post just went donate 500,000 instantly. Another person donate this woman where they sing lady of song. That one donate 100. Many people donate. How come?
That one donate 100. Person for a no get platform donate 500. Even a no get donate. Women want 1 point something million. And nobody. Gorish Lolo, Monica, our presenter. Nobody will not raise money through our platform. Nobody.
That 2 million never complete.
Me, I don't understand this kind of thing.
One video where still come and Aproko see right say how much they said they not 2 million been at 2 billion.
Aproko asked that question.
I don't understand.
Whether not 2 billion or be 2 million, me don't understand.
Don't complete pass. How come this
Wonder shall never end.
Now, success money give them 700,000.
And this woman said they has. The thing they funny me, I be the man, the woman not there, Nigeria. You know, I want to talk.
If you say, Lady G, why they talk like this? You know, I mean, they donate money for her. No, not be say I know what. But this money don't complete now.
It don't complete, Tete. Not be say it don't complete now. It don't complete, Tete. It don't complete, Tete.
Now they ask. Even I procure the godfather. Now they before see the video, now the thing shocked me. He even talk and say, now 2 billion they want, I've been at 2 million. We not gonna understand again.
I don't understand this thing.
Hello. If you not continue like this, you not see help again. You not go see help again. Somebody donate. As a presenters, only a lot of platform. I know how much they donate. Even Rita Ayemiomo TV, they donate. Monica too. Ion fans, they donate. They no get fans.
No presenter when they not donate for a live video. No presenter. No presenter. So this something really they surprise me. Say, just take the look for 2 million naira. Wait, don't complete it. Now instantly that 2 million naira take complete. And when they donate finish, everybody post their own. Many no post, but they get the receipt.
Now wow, Mona not call the people the vessel. People when they give money, they not be fool, they not be mumu, Now the pollution when they see that, they
Jesus Christ.
If you not come one they do this thing, and I not see help again, not be say joke, You not go see help again. If you not continue like this.
I be one set cloth, oh. I want set cloth and shoe and bag and necklaces. Now because I say her. This video, no. I need to do video because that day my enemy cry for this matter. Okay, Mama, I don't post my own. Mama, I heard not the truth. Because me, I go look yesterday whether my message I go see. Go, may I bring out the whole receipt. May I pin her for her. May they not say this one not be play person they play. Make I pin her, may everybody see their own. Because this is really not good for everybody at all. It's a slap for everyone. Say, money what the all presenters stress. Say, donate for this woman. Come on 1 naira. Come on 2 million. He go come and say, now 2 million. 2 million never still complete. Abana. What did they happen? If it don't reach our matter, it they talk to something else. One they don't talk about our issue finish. I know they blame people if they talk now, they say to say me they can't raise money. I know they blame them again, they know they like raise money again. They know they like raise money because now what is that they see and they know they like to demand people. Because many can't turn out to business, many can't turn out to maybe Mokide's work, bamboo the chop. Presenters when sit down that same day, take their time, take raise money. Are they foolish or they don't know what they are doing? If they carry that money, go orphanage home. God, go reach almost 7 orphanage home for that 1 something million. Where one person donate that same day for men, where people donate. And they no give, one guy where BNC donate 500,000. Another one again. And we still there. Although I will not reach 1 something, but we still donate and receive there.